Hey everyone, it's Tim Lee checking in from Down Under on this rainy day. I am in Sydney today doing shows. And of course, Australia is famous for a number of things. The kangaroo, the koala, men at work, and of course the boomerang. Now this is the Australian boomerang. Now the history of these things goes way back. They found boomerangs in King Tut's tomb, believe it or not. They've also found a 30,000-year-old boomerang made of mammoth tusks in Poland, of all places. But Australians, Aboriginals, are really the ones that are known for using the boomerang the most. They mastered it. Well, it's a fantastic toy because it's two great toys that work great together. It is an airplane wing, and it's a gyroscope. Now, if you take a close look, a boomerang is simply two wings joined together. It's two airfoils. Now, an airfoil works because it's longer over the top than it is over the bottom, and that means the air traveling past up top is low pressure, and the bottom is high pressure, and that causes a force in this direction, or what we call lift. Same thing as this wing comes around. Now, the key here is that it's more than just a wing, it's also a gyroscope, because it's pivoted. And gyroscope has two interesting properties that make the boomerang work. One is stability, and the other one is redirection of force.
The gyroscopes are so stable they can balance on just about anything. And a boomerang gets the same kind of stability from its rotation.
One of the interesting things about a boomerang is that when it's flying, the top edge is actually moving faster through the air than the bottom edge. And that causes more lift at the top than there is at the bottom, and that causes a force that would normally just turn it over like this. However, a boomerang is a gyroscope, and gyroscopes have an interesting behavior. When you try and twist them like this, they end up turning like this. And that's what causes the boomerang to come back to you.
Now this really is cool. It looks like it's levitating, but it's not. It's actually just redirecting the force, and that's causing it to rotate around the podium.
Now here's what happens when you throw a boomerang and you don't spin it fast enough.
Now with the right spin, the magic happens. Now this is what happens when you don't account for the position of the cameraman.